Global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Global Happiness Today YouTube channel. Finally, the drama that was unfolding in Adamawa State is over. Fintiri has finally gotten back his ticket. To make matters interesting, this is probably his second tenure. 8 years tenure. Nigerians were almost used to each person that comes in runs 8 years. So it's as if it's almost an agreement of some sort. And Binani almost pulled a stunt. Don't forget that some few hours ago, Binani had approached the court with a motion, hoping that Inec, praying that the court should stop Inec from announcing a contrary winner other than herself, and they should go ahead and go through the administrative bottlenecks of finding out, reviewing the whole electoral process in Adamawa State, of which, if you ask me, will take quite a number of time before you say who goes there. May 29 is approaching, and probably she just will be sworn in before the whole processes are over. But to make matters interesting, the court made a hearing. And of course, in tight situations, Inec made the announcement. We're going to give you all these full details into one. But before we do that, kindly subscribe to our channel. Click on the red subscribe button beside it to say bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, Governor Ahmadu Fintiri of PDP has been officially declared the winner of the 2023 Adamawa State governorship election for his second term in office. As announcement by the returning officer of the election, Ahmadu Fintiri of the PDP scored a total of 430,821 votes to defeat the candidate of the All Progressive Congress APC, Sh0ck Binani, who got 396,788 vote. Of course, it seemed to be a lot of jubilation, but something happened that made them, announce this result officially, and this was what happened. Well, according to the news, there was a court order that rejected Binani's plea, issuing fresh order. Now, well, the Federal High Court at Abuja today declined to hear an ex parte application, the candidate of the All Progressive Congress APC in the Adamawa State governorship election, Senator Aisha Dahiru Ahmed filed for an order to halt further action concerning the ongoing election in the state. Report has it that the court ordered her to address it on jurisdiction. Recall that Senator Aisha had in the ex parte application marked FHC/ABJ/CS/510/2023, applied for leave of the court to allow her to seek an order of prohibition and certiorari removing to this court for the purpose of being set aside the administrative decision of the first respondent made on the 16th April 2023 in respect of the declaration of the winner from the gubernatorial election of Adamawa State held on the 18th of March 2023 and the supplementary election held on the 15th April 2023. But in a ruling that was delivered by Justice Inec, the court ordered the counsel that appeared for the applicant, Mohammed Sharif, to address it whether or not it has the requisite jurisdiction to entertain the matter. Justice Ikwo thereafter adjourned the suit till April 26 for counsel to the applicant to address the court on the issue of jurisdiction. April 26, no. When they will make the announcement today. Look at the way they just shifted. No, that's the delaying tactics, and the delaying tactics actually has ended up affecting her. April 26, when INEC, no wonder if you check INEC when they were doing their result collation and announcement on very serious tight security, as in they understood. Not the last time just some few hours ago, I think a day or two, when they were collating the results, they had the mind, the merit to beat up a professor simply because he's into this issue of politics. And of course, INEC had screamed and shouted, but alas, this is just what it is. This is politics, unfortunately. But of course, while all this whole drama is going on, IGP went ahead also to replace the Adamawa State Commissioner of Police. You just see that, in fact, the whole thing is the way it's playing out. It clearly shows that there had to be changes here and there. If you also watch the video that took place a few hours ago during this whole election process, you notice that when that illegal pronouncement was made, it was in conjunction with security personnel. Nigerians were really bothered, as in one would expect that such illegality should not even be protected or aided by any security personnel. But alas, that's not what we saw. What we saw was the exact opposite. And Nigerians are like, in all honesty, is this how we are going to rule this country, where people are supposed to uphold the law and protect the law and enforce the law, are actually executed, are actually the ones, making things, you know, so terrible, so to speak. So there had to be quick actions, and few hours into this whole thing, changes were made, and that justice has been in this, especially when it comes to controversial judgment. They usually bring this particular judge in, and in all honesty, give it to the judge. He has always been on it. I must give it to the judge. He has never shown disparity one way or the other. But with all this drama that is going on, I just hope that the 2 billion naira, allegedly so, if you check our video, you see where there seemed to be some sort of an announcement, confession made that there was a 2 billion naira given by the APC flag bearer of Adamawa State to ensure that whatever the case is, she emerges the winner. 2 billion is not a small money. It doesn't mean that money is gone. Let's say a place that some of these people have plenty money. Unfortunately, that's how we have gotten it. But let's feel the pulse of Nigerians, because of course Nigerians are reacting to this. And should I say it's a sweet win? I don't know, because the truth of the matter is, but my own is whoever wins, just make Nigeria great. Nigerians are tired of suffering. APCO, PDPO, LP. Just make sure you do the right thing. Let's feel the pulse of Nigeria very quickly. Somebody said the lawyer will not return before 26th of April. The matter will be overtaken by event, and that's exactly what happened. Because while they're waiting for April 26th, they've made the announcement. Oh my God! Somebody else says, of course, the court will. Madam Binani was trying to take election fraud in Nigeria to a whole new dimension. Indeed, she was faster than her shadow. Oops, another person here says, he that must come to equity must come with clean hands. Inec has sold its integrity already, so they should accept it in good faith. How? Somebody asks. I don't know. Another person here says, if actually they're independent as they say, then they should cancel that declaration by that reg. But now they're saying it's only the court that has the right to do that, even when the person who declared that result was not in a position to do so, because he wasn't the INEC returning officer. What can you say then? No, what she's saying, maybe this person don't understand. She is the one making this statement. Why INEC needs to make the announcement, which they've not officially done, making Fintiri the new governor-elect. He's still the governor, and now that means he's running his second tenure, which is the 8 years term, 8 years. Usually we're used to it anyway. So maybe you are mistaking it, but in all, I think everything is even. I doubt if the lawyer will go back there in April to this is how event and finish itself. Let's go wrap it up. Let's meet in that conversation once and take. Have a nice time.